Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy, and welcome back to the You Want to Be Review channel. And this video I'm going to share with you remote CPA offers for absolutely free, which is CPA marketing with free traffic source, and that you can work at home. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can exactly make money for absolutely free, and you don't need to invest any money into that. You just need to invest a little bit of your time, and then the backside you can earn money from that. So whether you are using the CPA graph or CPA lead, max bounty, offer vault, or ad work media, anyone you are using, and CPA marketing you can use. But if you're using affiliate marketing, then you have to use such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Digistore 24, or something like that. So those are also the popular networks for affiliate marketing. But in CPA marketing, I prefer CPA grab and CPA lead, and sometime max bounty also right here. But max bounty for some country it's not available, and that is difficult to join. So that's why it is easy for the CPA grab to sign up and just start promoting. So the first step is that you need to sign up with CPA grab right here for absolutely free. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account and you will see the interface right here. Most of the time it just stand by the country or your own country or United States right here. So you just need to choose the country that you are targeting right here. But in this method, we are going to target all the countries right here. Basically, we will use, and today video, all the country products or all the country, for example, uh, offers right here, that should be multiple offers and multiple locations right here that we can simply use. So once you choose that, then you can simply just type, for example, game or gaming or game, something like that. So once you type that, then you can simply scroll down and you will have available all different offers from different locations, something like their thing $5.47, for example. Download the latest games today right here. Okay, get game booster now, this is another offer. Download new games from game station, this is another offer. So these are the multiple offers right here from multiple locations. For example, this is from Switzerland right here. This is, for example, from South Africa, and this is from Kenya right here, and this is from Jordan right here, and this is from Netherlands. So these are all the different countries right here, like Nigeria. So we need to have, the first step for us is that we can simply just click right here on any one of these right here, and then simply just copy this and go to a free landing page such as Linktree, and just added all these country links right here. The first step is that you just copy this title and just put it in the title section, and after that you just simply type only Netherlands. Means the people who are coming, that should be, if they are from the Netherlands, they can simply click on that and sign up for that. If that is from the US, then we need to have another offer for US people. If that is for Kenya, so we need to have for Kenya people. And you can also copy this link and put it in that section right here. So everybody knows that how to create Linktree page, because I have used uh, in multiple videos, and you might learn that, and it is absolutely copy and pasting, nothing worry about and nothing hard, something like that. So once you set up and you put all the links, all these country links over there, and you mention each and everything, the next step is that you simply go to the Instagram right here, because Instagram is the free method for us that we can simply use. The first step is that we simply search a gaming niche, something like that. So once you have something like this, you will have 34 million posts right here for absolutely free, and the gaming nature right here, and you can simply see here, and you can simply target accounts something like this one or another one. In the gaming nature, we have huge gaming accounts right here on Instagram, because Instagram is getting more than billions of people every single month, and it's very powerful right here. So the first step is that you can simply join these gaming, something like that they have a lot of engagement like 1900, means almost 2000 engagements, 2200 engagements, 1600, 2000 engagements, means they have likes and views and something like that. 4000 views, for example, 3000 likes, 2500 likes. So it means that they are really powerful and many people like the gaming niche on Instagram. So that's why we need to use. The first step is that to create similar account in the gaming niche. The next one is that it create a short bio. Even you can copy these and then you can put the link in the description or the website section, and that will appear right here that you can call people into that. So the first tip is that right here, if you want to consistent business for all the time, the first tip is that you can simply create an account and then put the link. Once you do that, the next step is that go to popular accounts in the gaming section right here and just click on that. Once you click on that right here, you will see all the followers right here that they are following. Or even you can simply just go back right here and you can go to, for example, this is the image. You just click on that and just simply go to the follow likes people. 1700 people like this. You can simply click on the likes and you just need to open this one. For example, just open right here. Okay, let me just open in the new section. So just simply open that page and simply follow. The first step is that follow him. Once you follow him, it means that you follow him, he got notification, and they will also redirect to your account and they can also follow you, and that way you can get more engagement, more revenue, and something like that. And make sure that you follow every single person or those people who like, but not be, for example, just like 1700 people in 1 hour. Do not do that because your account will be restricted and your account will be deleted. So make sure that you give the gap between following people. Means if you just follow 500 50 people, then you need to wait for an hour and then you just do for 50 people again after 1 hour and then wait for a hour, something like that. So in that way you can just reach up to 200 or 215 per day, something like that, that people that you can simply follow and you can grow because it is lifetime business. It's not one time business, and we are not targeting only one game. We are just targeting multiple niche in the gaming section. So that's why we need to be consistent and we can have new offers every single day coming from the CPA grip, CPA lead about the gaming. So we can simply copy them and then we can simply just put them right here in our link, and that will be shown to everybody who are interested with that. So the first step is that you simply follow and grow your account. The next step is that once you follow, you can also send them the message that, hey guy, I have seen you that you are following the gaming section and you like that too much right here. So it will be better that you simply see gaming offers for absolutely free. Check out the link in our bio, and you can simply copy that message and you can send to this guy, and then you come back right here and open another one, and then you send to another one as well as right here. So you can send to multiple people, means follow them and also send the message, means that's a double way that you can simply targeting them right here. So this is the free method that you need to do that. But if you want a paid method and you want to have a quick money, something like that, then you just need to go to the website such as postearly.com, and you that's not free. You need to purchase right here. These are the different packages right here that you can simply purchase right here. So you can simply purchase that, and that this software can does all the work for you. They can automatically follow people and your niche. They can comment on their things, they can like their posts, something like that. Even they can send direct messages to people who follow you or something like that. So they have a lot of options right here in this section. You can simply do each and everything, and even they can repost on your behalf. You can target the niche, for example, and they can on behalf of you they can also post it contents on your accounts right here. So this is an autopilot system right here if you want to use. But if you want a free method, then you need to use like this one, and you need to be consistent and you can start making money. So the only requirement in this method is that be consistent, take action and be consistent, and you will see the result. But if you just post today and then you post after a month, you will never see the result from that. So be consistent and make money from that. The coolest part is here that we are not getting or we are not choosing one gaming, okay? we are choosing multiple gamings and multiple locations right here, because those people like the gaming, they can visit our channel and our account right here, and they can simply follow, and they can also click the link, and they can see all the offers. Anyone which is related to their country, they can sign up for that. For example, this is the first one: download the latest games today. So everybody is interested, and those who want to gaming, so everybody will be interested for gaming, and they can do it for absolutely free, and we will earn the money. And this is another one: get game booster. Now, for example, those people who are interested in the gaming, so of course they want boosting their games, so they can get for absolutely free. So we are helping people, and people are helping us to make money. So that is the main strategy. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like that, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload a new video, you will be notified of that. And if you want full training for making money online, getting passive income, and working from home, then check out the first link in the description, and you will see all the pros, cons, and making money online niche. Actually, if you are interested, you will learn each and everything there. So hope you like that and you take action on that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.